If your domain is hosted by a third-party provider, you can use it with a Squarespace site by transferring it or connecting it. Usually, we recommend transferring your domain. This way you can manage all aspects of your site from one service instead of two, and Squarespace can help with any issues with your domain directly. A note for Google Domains customers: if your domain was hosted with Google Domains, your domain has moved to Squarespace and there's no need to take action to transfer or connect it. Squarespace is your new domain host, and you'll manage your domain and its settings in a Squarespace account. Transferring a domain lets you manage both your domain and website through Squarespace. When you transfer a domain from another provider to Squarespace, your domain will be managed by us, and you can access all DNS settings from your domain's dashboard. Some limitations to transferring your domain are: your domain's top-level domain must be on our list of available domains. Squarespace can't accept registry premium domains. Your domain must be registered with the current provider for at least 60 days. And your domain must have a registration term shorter than 9 years. If your domain doesn't meet our transfer requirements, or if you have a complex registration setup, connecting to Squarespace is a good alternative. This is also called domain mapping. Your current provider continues hosting your domain, but by adjusting a few DNS records, you can point the domain to Squarespace. This requires keeping hosting service active with your domain provider. Some limitations to connecting your domain include: DNS settings are managed through your provider and can't be accessed through Squarespace. You'll need your website set up across two separate companies, Squarespace and your domain provider. Your domain provider must offer full access to your domain's DNS settings. And while we can suggest ways to request help from your domain provider, we may not be able to troubleshoot provider-specific settings. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.